Imagine a perfect community of saints. A flawless monastery where crime literally doesn't exist.
But get this, even there, the tiniest little faults would instantly be treated as massive, scandalous crimes.
That's Emile Durkheim's wild 19th century paradox. He argued crime is actually a perfectly healthy social function.
Why? Well, he believed crime forces us to bond together and clearly draw our moral boundaries.
So if crime is completely normal, does a healthy society just keep a perfectly stable crime rate?
Nope. Just look at the massive plunge in U.S. offenses during the Great Crime Decline.
Over in Europe, same story. Wildly unpredictable, volatile fluctuations across the board for decades.
So if the overall numbers fluctuate that much, Durkheim's stable constant must be hiding somewhere else.
The secret isn't how much crime happens, but where. It's fiercely, stubbornly concentrated.
It's a crazy contrast, plunging overall crime rates, but geographically, the hotspots literally do not move.
This is the law of crime concentration. It's an eerily stable geographic pattern across different cities and decades.
But how does this super narrow, unchanging bandwidth actually serve a healthy social function?
Field researchers note these specific hotspots are visibly decaying. Think trash, broken glass, even sewage.
That's a massive contrast with the carefully maintained, protected cold spots just a few streets away.
These concentrated hotspots are like a dark mirror, visually showing exactly what communities refuse to tolerate.
They act as a harsh geographic lesson, constantly reinforcing the absolute moral boundaries of the neighborhood.
Like sociologist Kai Erikson noted, public outrage over these exact areas actually forces citizens to bond together.
You see this constantly when residents near these spots organize community policing to fight the decay.
Much like the 80-20 rule in economics, urban crime follows a brutally strict law of geographic concentration.
So, do we subconsciously restrict crime to just a specific, tolerated fraction of our streets?
Makes you wonder, are those dark, dangerous corners actually the hidden glue holding your city's moral boundaries together?